what was the strategy behind mentoring, these kind of kids? And I know you're not just Oshin, but there are countless others you used to mentor from start. So, what's the whole strategy? Who should prepare from that early? So, what would be your, tip or probably, any suggestion for the guys who are watching this?
So, we never kept medicine or engineering in mind when we start preparing the kids in 8th or 9th standard. And typically we always set small goals. For example, initially the goal was to clear NTSC exam. So we started very small with small goals that will focus on this particular exam or focus on smaller Olympiads. If you are inclined towards math or inclined towards the science subject, so NTSC is the thing. And achieve those goals till 10th standard and then focus on the respective exams, whether it is engineering or medical, and in +1 and +2. But these exams, what they do is they help you solve or help you approach a problem in a very different way. That actually the most of the problems for NTSC or for Olympiads are unstructured problems. And once you start solving those problems, then your mind actually goes to another level. And that's how we teach them not to study the subjects, but actually solve these unstructured problems so that you see physics, chemistry, bio as subjects where the problems are problems and you just need to approach the problems. So it doesn't become a subject per se.